Hi friends, this video shows how to install app from unknown source and fix app not installed error. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, select the settings icon. Go to device preferences. Then go down, select security and restrictions. Select unknown sources. So here we can see list of apps. For example, file manager app, Chrome, send file to TV app. So I am going to allow Google Chrome browser to install Android APK from unknown source. Enable it. Done. After this, using this Google Chrome browser, I can download Android APK file from website internet, then install in this device. It won't show any error, any warning. So that is a feature. So we have to enable it. Similarly, we can allow send file to TV app to do the same thing. Or if you have a file manager app, you can allow file manager app also for doing the same thing. Then go back. Then we need to disable this option, verify app. Otherwise, we would get warning when we try to install app from unknown source. We have to disable it. So this way we can allow install app from unknown source and fix app not installed error. Please check it.